As we age, our nutritional needs change, and it becomes more important than ever to prioritize our health through proper nutrition. In this video, we'll cover essential nutrients and cooking tips that seniors can incorporate into their daily lives to ensure they're getting the nutrients they need to thrive. Section 1. Essential nutrients for seniors. First, let's talk about essential nutrients that seniors should incorporate into their diets. As we mentioned earlier, the intake of seniors may vary depending on each individual's health status, activity level, and eating habits. However, it is usually recommended for seniors to take the following nutrients within the recommended intake. Protein. Daily intake is appropriate for 1 gram to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight. Vitamin D. It is recommended that adults aged 65 or older take between 800 and 1000 IU of vitamin D per day. Calcium. Women over 65 are recommended to consume 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day, while men over 65 are recommended to consume 1,000 milligrams of calcium per day. Vitamin B12. Adults over 65 are advised to take 2.4 mcg of vitamin B12 per day. Section 2. Cooking tips for seniors. Now, let's dive into some cooking tips that seniors can use to prepare healthy and delicious meals. First, nutrient-dense ingredients. When buying groceries, choose nutritious fresh, and intact foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, non-greasy proteins, and healthy fats. These ingredients can be easily incorporated into various recipes. Second, cooking with less fat. Cooking with less fat can help reduce the risk of heart disease and other health conditions. Consider using non-stick cookers, baking instead of frying, and choosing healthy fats such as olive oil or avocado oil. Third, use herbs and spices instead of salt. As we get older, our palate may decrease, and some older people add more salt to their meals. Instead of relying on salt, experiment with herbs and spices to add flavor to the dish. For example, garlic, ginger, rosemary, thyme, turmeric, etc. Fourth, cook in smaller amounts. Cooking in smaller amounts can help older people avoid overeating and reduce the risk of food waste. Consider investing in small cooking utensils such as small baking sheets or mini muffins. Fifth, prepare your meals in advance. Preparing meals in advance can help older people save time and reduce stress. Consider cooking in batches on weekends and freezing your meals later in the week. Sixth, maintaining hydration. Encourage the elderly to drink water all day and include hydrated foods such as fruits and vegetables in their meals. Lastly, consultation with a medical professional. If older people need a specific diet or have health issues, it may be helpful for them to consult a medical professional or registered nutritionist for customized advice. Incorporating these tips into your cooking routine can help seniors stay healthy and enjoy delicious meals. Remember, good nutrition is essential for a healthy and happy life. Thanks for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for more videos.